In this video, I'm going to give you a completely free way of generating thousands of leads with ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful methods to gain leads for free in 2024, and it takes just a few minutes. And the best thing is that these leads truly have never been contacted before, so you have absolutely zero competition when reaching out to them. Imagine how many businesses could be saved or completely changed just because of this strategy. It's so good I should be charging thousands and thousands of dollars for this, but I'm gonna give it to you for free. So let's hop in. I recommend you keep watching to the end so you truly keep every information said in this video. And why should you listen to me? Well, I'm Tim, and for the past 1.5 years I've built multiple chatbots and consulted over 70 businesses in the realm of AI, which saved them hundreds and hundreds of hours every month and transformed them completely, making them more efficient in less time. So let's jump into the strategies, and definitely keep watching to the end because I'm gonna give you something that you don't want to miss. So first off, we want to scrape some leads, and we're doing that by going to a website called Yellow Pages. Whatever your niche is and wherever you are, you can find it here. I recommend going to your local area, but obviously you can choose wherever your targeted audience is. So let's say for me, let's go with whatever. Let's actually stay in San Francisco. And as I'm targeting more software companies, let's go with software. And what it'll do is it'll give me every single software company and their phone number right here. And we can scroll down a bit and see that he has found 1,990 results. What we can do now is go through all of these pages and copy down all of them. But as for now, I think it's enough if we just copy the ones that are here. If you want to have your data a bit cleaner, just go and do it like this. Otherwise, you can just click Control A and it'll copy everything on that side. But let's go with this, Control C, and let's head over to ChatGPT. And we're going to tell ChatGPT, I've written a prompt before here. Write this down because we're gonna need it. Format all of the below data into a table with the following columns: full name, phone number, email, and website. If anything other than this is important for you, make sure to write it in this prompt as well. It's really simple. It's not that complicated. We just want to have a table with all of the important information. And now we're going to paste all of this mess that we have in here. So all of the data we just found on the side is now written in this prompt. Let's send that. Nice. And as we can see, he's just collecting all of the phone numbers and all of the names of the businesses clean into one table. Of course, we see here's not many websites given of these companies. As well, we're missing the name of the CEO actually, and right here is no email. So we just have the business name and the phone number. And you can see it's a lot of leads right here. So this is our first lead source. Just go to Yellow Pages, search for whatever your location and business type is, copy all of these, copy them in here, and you will get a clean table of all businesses with their numbers. Our next option is to go to Google Maps, and here as well go to a city or a country that you're targeting. So let's say we're going for Germany, which is where I come from, and let's search again for the software companies. Beautiful. Now as we scroll down here, you can see this list get expanded. I recommend doing that because if we copy all of this information, we can only copy what we can actually see here. So let's scroll down, make sure to get all of these. Actually, I don't want to scroll for eternity, so let's go back up. And I think it's time. Click Control A, Control C, go back to ChatGPT, paste everything in here, and it's just a mess. Back up to this message, get our prompt again, and paste it. And let's go. Let's see what we can find here. And here again, we have all of the businesses with their numbers. So if you're into cold calling, which I suggest you get into, this can actually be a gold mine for you. Let's let them connect some more leads here. So this is what we can do with ChatGPT. But I promised I would give you something more. I would actually like to give you the last strategy, which isn't with ChatGPT, but a lot more efficient. And you could argue that it's even easier than that. So head over to an AI called browse.ai, create an account there, it's free, click on build a new bot. You want to extract data. Now go over again to your Google Maps tab, and just all you have to do is copy this link, paste it in here, and click Start Trading Bot. Okay, so here we have our site inside of Browse AI. We can do everything again, scroll down again, do that for a bit, and then go over the right here to capture text from a list, and just go over here and hover these sections, collect these, and as you can see, he has created this whole list of our leads with the website, the opening hours, the contact info, basically everything that Google Sites told us. So let's hit this to custom and go with 100 or whatever. So it gives us a few more. Everything else you can leave as it is, and we're gonna hit save the captured list, confirm, and finish it. You can give your bot a name. I will just leave it like this. And after waiting for a few minutes, right here we have our list of all of our 100 leads. Nice. We can download this, save it as an Excel sheet. This is the beauty of this AI. All of the links, all of the phone numbers. Wonderful, wonderful, truly inspiring. Okay, let's scroll all the way down, go to yes, looks good, and we have our bot. The good thing is, let's actually set this up to 200 to get some more. And now let's say we're not targeting software companies anymore. Let's actually stay in the realm of software. Let's go with SaaS. Awesome. Scroll down again for a bit to get some more. Again, same game. Copy the link above. Go back. Change the origin URL to the one we just copied, and go for run task. So after waiting for a couple seconds, we have our new lead list. This time it's a bit smaller, right? We only have 3. You can see he only saw these 3. Why he did that? Probably didn't load the site as good, so let's try this again. But in theory, and even in practice, you can run this as long as you want to. Every time, search for something else, copy the link, go back, extract all of the leads, download the table to whatever you like, and start calling up your leads. And this is how, literally for free, you can get hundreds and hundreds of leads every few seconds. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely leave a subscription when I was able to help you, so in the future you get recommended more of these videos to help you and your business with AI. Other than that, have a wonderful day, a successful week, and we'll see us the next time or in this next video right here. But until then, goodbye.